Here's the truth. A lot of millennials are not chasing traditional careers anymore, and honestly, you might not even have to, thanks to the internet. Nowadays, there are more options available than ever before to build wealth online. You can use digital tools, automation, and flexible business models to create income streams on your own terms. But if you've ever tried to launch an online business before, I'm sure you know just how overwhelming it can be. So in this video, we're going to be diving into one of the new ways that millennials are building passive income using the high-level platform. Let's dive in. One of the biggest issues people have when starting a business today is being overwhelmed by having too many separate tools. It can get confusing quickly when you have a separate tool for your website, something different for your email, another one for scheduling, then there's payments, CRM, funnels, and more. It adds up fast, and it can cost you both money and time. Using tools like ClickFunnels, Calendly, MailChimp, and Zapier separately can cost you $300 or more per month, plus all of that time spent syncing everything together. So High Level essentially aims to solve this problem by bringing everything into one place. Their platform has everything your business needs, from funnels to CRM to emails, marketing, SMS, scheduling, and payments, all from a single dashboard. So instead of spreading your business across multiple different tools and hoping everything works together, High Level can let you run everything from one place. And while you might not need all of these different features from day one, what you're likely to find is that your business will grow into them over time. Now, I've been testing out High Level here for the last couple of months, and one of the biggest things that stood out to me is the built-in AI tools and functionality. If you're anything like me, you're probably trying to make the most of artificial intelligence to stay ahead in business. A lot of platforms today claim to have AI built in, but the truth is it's either usually super limited or adds complexity instead of making things easier. What's different about High Level is it actually makes things practical to deploy AI across multiple different aspects of your business. The AI chatbot, for example, can book appointments 24/7, all while working in the background of your business. And this can help cut down on back and forth emails and, of course, missed leads. You can also use the AI tools within High Level to generate websites, funnels, and even content in just seconds. In addition, the tool also has some social media automation options where it can reply to comments and keep your audience engaged. This can help you to focus on the more important aspects of your business without having to worry about checking your socials. Be sure to check out my full video in the corner where we explore the AI employee in full detail. Continuing on now, automating whatever you can within your own business is going to be a very important part for efficiently running your online business today. And here's the thing, combining these automation tools with a digital product can mean 100% passive income. If you're interested in selling packaged services like courses or coaching programs, High Level actually makes this pretty simple. Everything on the High Level platform is connected, so you can build out your service offerings inside the platform with landing pages, forms, payment links, and even automated follow-up emails and upsells. The goal here is to turn your expertise into a revenue stream that runs on autopilot. So if you have knowledge to share, High Level gives you the infrastructure to turn it into a real scalable offer. Now this part really surprised me, but High Level actually lets you rebrand their platform as your own software. So this means that you can use the resources provided by the platform and then sell access to it based on your niche as a software. It's called SaaS mode or software as a service mode, and it basically turns you into a tech CEO without ever having to write a single line of code. You can customize the design and service with your own logo, domain, and brand colors, and then sell subscription-based access. And this can allow you to build a monthly recurring income stream instead of just chasing one-off projects. It's not just about reselling their tools. Instead, this is about using them to run your own software business and even potentially creating passive income for life in the process. For example, if you have a business that's doing consulting, marketing services, or coaching, you could use High Level's SaaS mode to package the exact tools you already use in your own branded software. So whether it's sales funnels, booking systems, or automated follow-up emails, everything is built right into the system. So you don't need to hire developers or build it from scratch, you just need to customize it for your audience. This lets you move on from just being a service service provider to owning the actual tools your clients depend on, which creates value for them and more stable income for you. So High Level does seem like a good place to get started here if you want to get into the world of SaaS without spending hundreds of thousands of dollars. One of the best parts about running your own online business is the flexibility and being able to get stuff done no matter where you are. Since High Level lets you set up appointment booking, lead nurturing, onboarding, and even payment processing, a lot of time that you would have been spending on these tasks now gets freed up. So once everything is in place, your business can be running completely in the background. And that right there is the beauty of passive income. The time that you spend on your business isn't the only time that you're getting paid. When you have these automated systems working, you can generate income without clocking in. And since everything with High Level is going to be cloud-based, you can manage everything right from your phone, whether you're at home, at a coffee shop, or possibly halfway across the world. Now, one thing I'm always going to consider before using a platform is the support behind it. Luckily, with High Level, you're not just going to be handed the software and left to figure it out. There's onboarding to walk you through the setup, they have free courses to help you build and grow, and live support if you ever get stuck. Plus, there's also a huge community of other users out there who are sharing their tips, templates, and of course, real results. Looking into this myself, I found it to be one of the more active and helpful communities out there that exists around a business tool. So even if you're not super technical or if you're just getting started with your business, you are not left to figure it out on your own. So simply put, with High Level, you do not need to be an expert or anything close. The last thing I want to cover here are some results of businesses actively using the platform each month. High Level is already trusted by over 2 million businesses out there, with 194 million monthly leads generated on the platform. Additionally, High Level has an excellent Trustpilot rating of 4.9 stars across nearly 10,000 reviews. So with all of these factors taken into account, High Level seems like a reliable and well-trusted platform for running your business. Whether you're just starting out or already have a few clients, the tools are flexible enough to grow with you and fit your specific needs. You don't need to be a tech expert or have everything figured out. Instead, you just need a system that can handle the heavy lifting for you, and that's exactly what this is. So if you want to shortcut the business headaches and plug into a system that is already working, start your free trial of High Level today and get everything you need to launch and grow your business. Just click the link below to get instant access. You'll be able to build smarter, automate your business, and possibly even generate income while you sleep.